There's not so much, my lord, that I can tell the court. We thought that we'll be proceeding with the defense of Mr. Sibiya being accused number one. However, due to circumstances, I had a discussion with him that in the light of what has transpired, we would have to close his case. In the circumstances, my lord, I'm therefore closing his case.
Okay,
Thank you, my lord.
fine.
ngenxa-ke yalokho sekwenzekile-ke anisaqhubeki-ke ngofakazi ngakolakho-ke uhlangothi uthi-ke usuqedile wena ngamanye uyavala-ke ngakolakho uhlangothi.
Right, thanks. Yeah. Yes, so what's happening now? Is it Mr. Ramasipili?
We close accused number one's defense, my lord.
Yeah,
I'm not
defense
sure whether
was-
Mr. Ramusipili is in a position to proceed, but
Okay.
we'll explain. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
As the court pleases, my lord. My lord, two things. The sudden turn of events today, my lord, necessitate that I cannot start the defense of accused number two's phone case, Mr. Ntazi's case, my lord, because we were under the impression that the defense for Mr. Sibiya had two more witnesses because we are in discussion with them, but due to circumstances that we are privy to, my lord, that have been disclosed to us, they're no longer pursuing those witnesses, my lord. Therefore, we won't start the case of accused number one even this week, my lord, for the following reasons.
Is it number one or number two?
So sorry, my lord, number two, for the following reasons. Subsequent to the time that our lordship, his lordship gave us to consult with witnesses earlier, was it last year, for the case for the entire defense, which
Yeah.
I consulted. Further names have cropped up, which are witnesses for accused number two, my lord. In fact, on Friday, after our adjournment, we went for consultation together with Mr. Mnisi in the East Rand for one of the witnesses. Yesterday, I was in the Northwest for another witness, and two more I had scheduled to consult with on Saturday with the hope that I'll begin the case for accused number two on Monday. However, as the events were transpiring now, this morning, I then went back to them via text to say, it looks like we are not gonna sit this week. Can we bring forward the consultations that arranged for Saturday, my lord? One of them is available tomorrow. I'm consulting them tomorrow, and the other one set on Friday. So for those reasons, my lord, that I begin the case for accused number two on Monday, and with certainty, my lord, I'll begin on Monday. I have informed my learned colleagues. I've also informed Mr. Ntanzi as such, my lord. Thank you, my lord.
Yeah.
Bekufanele-ke ukuthi kuyenzeka manje bekumele ukuthi uqala-ke ubufakazi bakhe usolo wesibili umnumzana uNtanzi. Umnumzana uRamusipili usetshela inkantolo-ke ukuthi-ke ebeseqalile-ke ukuthi akhulumisane nabo ofakazi ebengekaqedi-ke abanye bezohlangana nabo ngomgqibelo elungiselela-ke ukuthi ngomsombuluko kwiviki elizayo baqale-ke ngokuthi-ke umnumzana uNtanzi athule ubufakazi bakhe. Kodwa-ke ngenxa yalokho esekwenzekile-ke uyacela-ke noma-ke ukhulumile nabo ofakazi labo ukuthi-ke abahlehliseke ukuthi bahlangane ngomgqibelo, kodwa bahlangane-ke kusasa, omunye uzohlangana naye ngoLwesihlanu. Ucela inkantolo uthi naye-ke umnumzana uNtanzi umtshelile lokho, useyacela-ke ukuthi akayilungiselele-ke noma-ke akakulungele ukuthi angaqhubeka. Ucela-ke ukuthi icala lihlehliswe, kodwa-ke ngesithembiso sokuthi ngomsombuluko uzobe sekhulumile nabo ofakazi la evikini ngomsombuluko bese siyaqhubeka-ke.
The state?
As the court pleases, my lord, under these circumstances, we do not have any objection if the matter can be postponed until Monday for the case of accused number two.
Okay, yes, Mr.
Thank you, my lord. I have no
That's-
objection.
I
I
have-
have no objection to the request for a postponement. Thank you.
That's all.
I have no objection.
Okay, yeah, fine. Okay, under the circumstances, the court's will be obliged to postpone this matter for trial for the commencement of accused number 2's case. Is that so, Mr. Ramsipiti? On Monday.
Icala lihlehliswa-ke kuzobe ngumsombuluko kuzobe i-date i-9 zikaFebruary.
Abundaba nibatshele ukuthi I am not wasting time because sometimes I'm told that I'm delaying this case.
Ithi-ke inkantolo iyafuna-ke naloko ngidluliswe-ke kubona-ke indaba ukuthi-ke uyatshelwa ngezinye iy'khathi ukuthi uyena-ke olibazisa-ke lona icala leli ukuthi akusiyena-ke odileyayo noma olibazisayo.
Okay, then come back on Monday.
Manje-ke 9